To fix a fridge with an issue at the back, several possible reasons should be considered. One common cause is an air leak, which occurs when warm air enters the unit and combines with cold air, resulting in frost formation that eventually becomes solid ice. This leak can be due to a defective door gasket or the door being left open. To address this, the gasket should be carefully examined for signs of damage, such as rips and tears, and if necessary, replaced with a new one. Additionally, it is essential to avoid leaving the fridge door open and to shut it with minimal force to ensure a tight seal. Another potential issue is a clogged defrost drain, which can become blocked when ice accumulates. If this problem goes unnoticed, the ice buildup can worsen. To fix this, hot water should be prepared and slowly poured down the defrost drain using a turkey baster or a similar item. By following these steps, the issue with the fridge can be resolved. Regular maintenance and attention to these details can help prevent such problems from arising in the future.